some R7 foam insulation with double aluminum backed foam insulation on the garage door. The garage door is just a metal door, no insulation. I have, since after moving in, have found out that the wall is insulated and the ceiling is insulated. It's not very well insulated, but it's got 6 inches of blow-in cellulose, which is better than nothing. But paying for the foam board and cutting it to fit in has been the best investment to make this garage comfortable. Now, if I spin around here, in here is the air handler for the air conditioner, and there's no bleed vent from it. I hope to in the future put a bleed vent in to cool it, but what I do instead is to, if I'm working in my garage, I open the garage door and I leave my garage door open, and I have this ventilation fan, a Ryobi air cannon, and I turn it on and I blow cold air in. So cold air falls, hot air rises. I have it aimed down and I blow cold air into my garage. And with my insulated garage door and with my insulated attic and my insulated walls, it only takes about 20 minutes to make this a very comfortable workshop. So probably the best money you can spend is to get double foil sided foam insulation and put it in your garage door.